Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And guys, today I'm gonna replace my NOx sensor. Guys, that sensor also have a really strong name, detonation sensor. There's many people that call that sensor detonation sensor. Here it is, the detonation sensor. The real name is NOx sensor. Basically, this is a microphone or ears that send the information of the detonation of the engine to the computer, so it can adjust the ignition. But guys, I'm not replacing this because I'm facing any problem. At least I didn't check any problem. But when I was replacing my coolant hose, I realized that the plug is fully broken. I'll try to show you. So guys, I will show you the location of this sensor, of course, in this car. But there's one really important thing that I need to tell you before I start replacing, because this sensor it's really sensitive, and the torque of this it's really important. Right now I don't have a torque range, so I will have to just tighten a little bit, so my torque range will be my hand. But then I will have to buy a torque range and give the right torque. I didn't check the manual of this car yet, but usually the torque of these sensors it's between 1.5 kilograms and 2 kilograms. So as you can see, this is really sensitive, so be really careful if you are trying to replace a NOx sensor. Try to have a torque range and give the right torque for this sensor. I need to buy one because I don't have one right now. But I'm not driving this car, so it's not a big deal. And then I will buy a torque range and give the right torque to this. The NOx sensor, or detonation sensor as you want, it's located right here. This is the plug, and that's my problem. My plug it's really destroyed. When I remove, I will show you why I'm replacing this. The plug it's in a really bad condition. If you are handling with some electrical sensors or something, always disconnect the battery, okay? So guys, as you can see, this is the reason that I'm replacing my plug. It's, destroyed. So guys, as you can see, my connection it's like this. I realized this when I was changing the coolant hose, the metal one. I realized that sensor is, really damaged. So I bought another one. That's the reason that I'm replacing. But the truth is, I didn't realize any failure, so I don't know. So guys, let's install the new one, and hopefully I can have a good torque. So guys, everything seems to be working nice. Guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.